There are 5 possible searches that you'll be able to complete through PropStream. The first of the 5 is the county level search. To complete that search, type out the name of that county, followed by a comma, a space, and the abbreviation of that state. You will see a recommendation appear right below the search bar. Click on that recommendation and your results for that county will now populate. The second search that you can perform is a city level search. Type out the name of the city and a recommendation will appear below. Select that recommendation and your results for that city will now populate. The third search you can perform is a zip code search. Type out that zip code and you'll see a recommendation appear. Select that recommendation and your results for that zip code will now populate. However, with zip codes, we do give you the option to search up to 5 zip codes. To perform that type of search, separate each zip code with a comma and a space. As you apply each zip code, you'll notice the recommendation appears right below the search bar. Once you're done applying up to 5 zip codes, click the recommendation and the results for the 5 zip codes will appear. The next search that you can perform is the Draw Search feature, which is actually located on the map itself in the shape of a pencil icon in the upper left corner. To perform the search, select the pencil icon, find your starting point on the map, left click and let go. As you move your cursor, you will see your blue line following you. This blue line is your first border. So as you find an endpoint to your first border, left click and let go. You can repeat this process up to 100 times and the search up to 250 mile radius. Once your shape has been drawn out, hit search or enter on your keyboard, and the results within the shape that you've drawn out will now populate. The last search that you can perform in PropStream is a specific property address. Type in that specific property and a recommendation will appear below the search bar. Click on that recommendation and PropStream will zoom in on that specific property. You will see the neighboring records around that subject property, including MLS, pre-foreclosure, and foreclosure records. If you have a question, please reach out to PropStream customer support and make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for the latest news and updates on PropStream. Thank you for watching.